In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily overlay one photo on another on Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off head over to Gallery. Then select a photo you would like to edit. After that, tap at that pencil to activate edit mode. Down below here at the right, you can easily find that stickers icon. You need to tap on it. Then select stickers. And then tap right here at this icon that looks like the icon of Gallery app. After that, tap right here at plus. And then search for an image in this way. Then hit next and then done. What that will do, that will add the image we selected to our first image and it will overlay it. Now we can rotate it, we can move it around, we can place it wherever we want, and then once we've done that, to save it we just need to tap at save, and that will create an image that overlays another image. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.